Russia has already strategically lost the war in Ukraine and is now a more diminished power, said the head of the UK's Armed Forces Admiral Sir Tony Radakan in a latest interview. Radakan added that Russia was suffering heavy losses, running out of troops and advanced missiles, and would never be able to take over all of Ukraine. This is a dreadful mistake by Russia. Russia will never take control of Ukraine, he continued. The British highest-ranking military officer said the Russian president, Vladimir Putin, had lost 25% of Russia's land power for only tiny gains, and it would emerge a more diminished power while strengthening NATO.
Russia has strategically lost already. NATO is stronger. Finland and Sweden are looking to join.
Radakan said that, while Putin may achieve tactical successes in the weeks to come, it had come at the expense of a quarter of his country's army power for tiny gains and was running out of troops and high-tech missiles. The Russian machine is grinding away, and it's gaining a couple of 2, 3, 5 kilometers every day, the admiral said. And Russia has vulnerabilities because it's running out of people, it's running out of high-tech missiles. President Putin has used a quarter of his army's power to gain a tiny amount of territory and 50,000 people either dead or injured. Russia is failing.
If you look at the Ukrainian people, they've already defeated the original Russian plans, which were to take the cities inside 30 days and in about 6 weeks take most of the country. That's all stopped, and Russia's had to change its objectives, and it's focusing on the east.
Radakan's claims echo British intelligence reports, the latest of which said some Russian battalion tactical groups, typically established at about 600 to 800 personnel, have only been able to muster as few as 30 soldiers. Although Russia is achieving tactical success in the Donbas, these recent successes have come at significant resource cost and by concentrating force and fires on a single part of the overall campaign. Measured against Russia's original plan, none of the strategic objectives have been achieved. In order for Russia to achieve any form of success will require continued huge investment of manpower and equipment and is likely to take considerable further time, a report read. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.